Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the best Aqua Magic RV Toilet, the Thetford Aqua-Magic V High Profile in White. A product designed to make your RV life much more comfortable. If you've ever struggled with finding the right toilet for your RV, you know how crucial it is to choose one that combines efficiency, durability, and comfort. That's where the Aqua Magic V stands out. This toilet is crafted from high-quality polypropylene, which is lightweight but incredibly durable, making it the perfect choice for an RV environment where space and weight are both concerns. The design of this toilet is built for ease of installation and use. The Aqua Magic V features improved mounting bolt slots, making it easy to set up and secure. It's floor-mounted, with an oval shape that fits comfortably in most RV spaces, while the high profile adds a more residential feel. Plus, it features a slow-close seat and cover, so no more slamming lids, which is a simple but much appreciated touch. One of the key features of this model is the press pedal flush system. Press halfway to add water, and press fully for a complete flush, simple, efficient, and easy to use. Whether you're full-time RVing or just going on weekend trips, this toilet delivers reliable performance every time, with the deepest toilet bowl available in RV toilets. With a product like this, comfort isn't compromised for convenience. The residential-sized seat ensures that you're sitting comfortably, and it provides just the right level of space for everyday use. Despite its compact size, the Aqua Magic V doesn't skimp on comfort, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their RV bathroom setup. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the thoughtfully designed mounting features that make it quick to install. Whether you're a seasoned RV owner or a newcomer, you'll appreciate how easy this toilet is to fit into your space. Plus, it's built to last with minimal maintenance, so you can spend more time enjoying the open road and less time worrying about repairs. To top it all off, the Thetford Aqua Magic V is backed by a 1-year warranty, so you can rest easy knowing that your investment is protected. Whether you're heading out on long journeys or weekend adventures, this is a reliable, high-performance toilet that brings both convenience and comfort to your RV life. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the Thetford Aqua Magic V High Profile for your RV and let us know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products around.